Okay, so far we have 1.4 times 10 to the fifth of a certain bacteria was found in 1 gram of swamp soil. How many of this bacteria would you expect in 58 grams of this soil? Question mark. Okay. So go ahead and write that down. So we have 1.4 times 10 to the fifth of a certain bacteria is found in 1 gram of this soil. How many of this bacteria would you expect in 58 grams? Okay, so I want you to take some time, think it through, take some thinking time, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of time to share your thoughts with your table partner on how to answer this. Okay, so Leo, I want you to work with Kathy. You're going to share your ideas, and then Aiden, you're going to share with Alexis. Oh no, you too. Well, Alexis, you work with Sophia and Aiden, and I think we're good except for no, everybody else has a partner. Okay, so think it through. I'll give you a little bit of time, and then we'll come back. Okay, let me summarize what I've been seeing. I kind of saw two different methods. They both work. They're both good. Um, I like what I saw, guys. So I'm going to call this method one. Okay, here's method one. Um, so in method one, someone took 1.4 times 10 to the 5, and they have to multiply it by 58. But then, okay, we need to change this to a scientific notation number. So kind of cross that out, change it into 5.8 times 10 to the 1, and now I can multiply these two numbers, which is what we're going to do. So 1.4, you multiply it with 5.8 times 10 to the 5 times 10 to the 1. Okay, so far so good. And then we just multiply those. So what do I get when I multiply 1.4 times 5.8? 8.12, thank you. Times, we have to add these exponents, 10 to the 6th. And we get our answer. 8.12 times 10 to the 6th bacteria. Okay, so we get our answer. Method two, okay, in method two, let me just show you. Same setup, we have to multiply 1.4 times 10 to the 5. We're going to multiply that by 58. And some of you even put, like, I think I saw someone, 10 to the 0s. Isn't that, it's not in scientific notation, but isn't that true? And then some of you, I think I saw someone just say 58. You multiply the 1.4 times 58, and then I'm just going to say 10 to the 5. Oop. And I say that and I write 0. Okay, I'm going to just call it 10 to the 5. So basically, you just multiply the two coefficient numbers. And that's going to be 81 times 81.2 times 10 to the 5. However, remember they showed us in the video, that's not in scientific notation. So you move it over, add 1 here because you moved it once to the left, and you get 8.12 times 10 to the 6th bacteria. And both of them work. So you can do it method 1, where you convert, or method 2, where you just multiply. Either one's going to work. Okay. All right. I think we're just going to stop with one example. You guys did a great job with that. And the assignment is on delta. You want to use either your calculator that I let you borrow, or the one that's built in, or your own if you have it. But definitely, since we're multiplying decimals, use a calculator. Okay?